Welcome to Lopesan Caoba Lagoon, also adjacent to Serenity Bay and Splash Cove, and not that far from the old Lopesan Costa Bavaro, walking distance or golf cart ride away. In this video, I'm going to go over the lobby, a room tour, and all the restaurants. When we visited, the resort was not 100% fully open. The only two buildings that were open was the Caoba Lagoon and Serenity Bay. I loved all the main areas, so moody, so gorgeous, so stunning and unique. Originally, we booked at Serenity Bay, which is adults only, but they moved us to the Caoba Lagoon room. They gave us a swim out, which we originally booked a pool view, but in the adults only side, but since they said there's AC issues, we went to this building and we didn't have no AC issues whatsoever, but it does not get less than 68 degrees in the room. So if you like a really cold room, this resort probably is not for you since it doesn't drop any less. So our swim out is right on the corner with Splash Cove. So our view was the Splash Cove's wave pool and the water slides. So our room was missing the pool lounge chairs. Like other buildings, they had them already, but our building did not have them, but that didn't affect me whatsoever. So the first night we did Italian for dinner. Most beautiful restaurant I've seen. So beautiful and gorgeous. But here's my review. The food did come out cold. Almost everything we ordered, or many items we did order, they said they didn't have at the moment. So we just ordered pasta, pizza. So like I said, everything was cold, but that's fine. You know, they are new, so we're not very picky since we have done so many new resorts. At nighttime, it's beautiful. I wish you could see how beautiful it is on camera, but the camera just does not do its justice. So this is going to be the adults Serenity Bay lobby. And they also have a restaurant just for Serenity Bay adults only, which is called the Enclave. We did sit down for lunch. We went over the menu and actually nothing seemed like was going to fill us up. So we did not eat or try the food there. This is the bar right off of Brasa Nova restaurant. And this is the Brasa Nova restaurant, which is a Brazilian steak. If you've ever tried Fogo de Chao in the US, this is exactly the same. They do have a buffet where you go and you pick out your sides, which is actually a huge buffet, way bigger than in the States. Everything was delicious. This was our #1 favorite restaurant in the whole resort. I would eat here every day. So how it works is you get your sides at the buffet and then they walk around with all the meats when you want and are ready for the meats to come around. You put the green card, and when you are full and want to take a break, you flip it over to the red side. The meats was our favorite. The picanha steak, our favorite. The filet mignon, also #2 favorite, and they had the best chimichurri sauce I have ever tried. And I make a chimichurri sauce, but theirs was even better than mine. Like I said, so many options you get, like considering this is not even the buffet, this is just the restaurant. They had a lot of choices. This is the buffet, which is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The first day that it opened, I believe it was our third night in the resort. The first 3 nights were not open. So we were really happy and excited that it opened up. Everything was so many choices, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Amazing. Every time after dinner, we would come back just to see what they have. So this is the main lobby bar that is shared by all three resorts. So stunning and beautiful. I just can't get over it. Next, this is the Cajolo. It's a Tex-Mex restaurant. Um, can't say anything bad or good. It was okay. We'll see what we had. Everything was just all right. Not. This is the nachos. I mean, presentation could do some work, but it's fine. Like I said, it's a new resort. We are not that picky, so we just enjoy the vacation. And this is going to be the Indra restaurant, which is their Indian. So if you love spices, definitely try it out. Very spicy stuff. Not spicy, but with spices. This was my favorite, the naan bread. It's with butter and garlic. Wow, so good. This was our dessert, little teddy bear mango. And this is the Thai restaurant. We enjoy this one. We love Thai food. So everything was actually delicious, good, and flavorful. I would say this was maybe my second or third favorite. They even had some sushi and dumplings. I had the chicken pad thai. My husband had some beef dish and dessert. So this was the Lima restaurant. So this is the one I said, I don't know, it's my second or third favorite. It was a tie with the Thai one. This one was good. All the sushi was fresh and good. So if you're into sushi, check out this restaurant. It's a Japanese and Latin mix restaurant. So this is the Splash Cove lobby. So even though this building is not open for guests, the lobby was ready and done. They have all these animals, very cute design, different, but very cute. Also, one thing to point out, especially this lobby, I don't know why, but they had the most mosquitoes. So if you are prone to mosquitoes, get some mosquito spray for this vacation because they had a lot. I think because of all this standstill water. All right, so if you guys want to check out more about the pools and the cenotes and the wave pools, check out my next video. I will have all of the pools and everything about that in my next video, so check it out.